Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So here you can see what it is. There is a decoder where it converts from BCD to decimal. So what we have to define is that whether the outputs here are in which format, whether it is gray code number or whether it is 2421 BCD number or XS3 code. So what kind of converter is this? So that's how that's what need to be determined in this. So one of the major point in such examples, what we have to remember is that these are the inputs and these are the outputs, and these outputs are determined using these switching operations. So now if you see, we have to prepare a small truth table x3, x2, x1, x0. So for this there is a specific output, whether it is D0 or D1, and based on this output the Y is determined, Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 is determined. So let us start with so now we have to form a truth table using this. So any kind of problem in this format should be done this way only. So we have to form a truth table. So for 0 0 0 0 we understand that the output will be 0, and here this is 8421, so we'll target that later. So now if you see, the output is D0. So D0 line, if you consider, is not switched to any of the outputs. So here this cross indicates connectivity. That means D6 line is connected to either of these outputs. So here there is no connection to any of these lines. That means the output is 0 0 0 0. And then now let us take 0 0 0 1, which is D1. Okay, so if you take D1, you can see here only Y0 is connected to this switch for D1. So Y0 will be 1 and all others would be 0. Now let us take 0 0 1 0, which is D2, and you can see here D2 only Y1 is connected, so that means 0 0 1 0. So similarly, if we continue implementing or writing this table, so it comes to D3. So D3 is connected to Y1 and Y2, sorry, Y0 and Y1, Y0 and Y1. So let us write D4. So sorry, for D2 it is, yeah, correct. So for D4, if you see here, which would be 0 1 0 0 definitely. So D4 would be, Y2 will be 1 and it is represented as 0 0. So we have to form a table like this. So when you form a table like this, you will write till 4 ones, because there are 4 digits here as the input. So a simple a table till this extent should be enough to determine what is going to happen. So now one thing is, the first option is the gray code number. So if you see here, whether it is a gray code number or not, we have to see. Basically, first thing what we have to see is what is a gray code number. A gray code number is nothing but where it is also a binary number, but the individual bits doesn't have any value. So this subsequent number of the from the previous number would differ by a single digit. Like example, if you see here, this is 0 0 0 0, and if you take the second number, it is differing by 1 digit. So this could be a gray code sequence. And then if you go to second to third, they are differing by 2 numbers, because 0 changed to 1, 1 to 0. But gray code number definition says that only one number can change from the previous digit. So definitely this is not a gray code number. And then let us see if it is a 2421 BCD number. So 2421 means this is 2421. When you add this 2 into 0, 4 into 0, so this will be 0, this will be 0. Here this is 1 because this is a BCD number and it is 8421. And then again, if you see 2421, this is 1 here, this is again 1 here. So if you consider this, this will be 2, again this will be 2 here. So if you add this, this will be 3 because 2 plus 1, only ones are here. This is also 3 similarly. And if you take this 8421, so this will be 4 here and here 4th bit, so 4. So like we did not write sequence till now, but at least till this it looks like this is a 2421. Let us see whether it is a XS3 code converter. So XS3 code converter is like is obtained by once complementing a particular number. So if you once complement this number, we should get 1111, but here it is 0000. So that means this is not XS3 code converter, this is not gray code converter. So if you write the full table, you will get to know whether it is 2421 BCD number or none of the above. So this is how we solve this particular problem.